Open any browser and type NCERT book in the search bar. Click on the first website, https://ecert.nic.in. Next, select the class for which you want the book, choose the subject, and then pick the book title. Click on Go. Now click on Download Complete Book. The book will start downloading in zip format. Once the download is complete, open the ZIP file. Inside, you'll find the book in PDF format. It extracts automatically, and that's it. This is how you can download the latest NCERT books for any class. Thank you for watching.